Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is lecture number 100th of mathematics. Today we are going to complete the century of our lecture. So let us get started. We are going to solve question number 11, and that is an advanced level question. What is advanced in this question? The only thing that they haven't uh, given us any dimension, and still we have to find the value of certain dimension. So let us first understand the question. The question is saying in the figure ABCD is a parallelogram and AED is a right angle triangle, as you can see clearly. If the area of triangle AED, let me write this, that if the area of triangle AED is equal to 50 centimeters square, and the length of AE and AB, AE ratio EB, that is equal to 1:3. So if this area is 1 centimeter, for example, then EB will be 3 centimeter in the length. This is given to us here in the form of a ratio. Okay, find the area of the trapezium BCD E. So we have to find the area of trapezium, area of trapezium BCDE, that is required. So BC and DE, which is this area. Now dear learners, you know that the sum of the parallel line into height. So we have to find this one first. So for that we have to say that area of triangle AAED, area of triangle AED is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Now in this case we know that 1/2 and the base is given to us is AE and ED is the height, and that is equal to 550 centimeter square. So in this regard we can say that AE multiplied by ED is equal to 50 centimeter square, because this is 25, not the 50. So this is 25 and this is 25. So we are getting this. Now we will utilize this in the subsequent steps. So keep this in mind. Now we are finding area of trapezium what B, C, D, E, and that is equal to 1/2 sum of the parallel sides, and parallel sides are E, B, plus DC, and the height is ED, that is a red line. You can see that as well. So now we have to put that ratio, and that is 1 over 2, and instead of EB we can write 3AE. 3AE. How? This is EB and this is AE. They given us what? They given us 1 ratio 3. So now you can see that EB is 3 times of AE. So we wrote EB is 3 times of AE. Similarly, D and C, which is this whole, will be equal to this whole. So it means that it will be equal to 4 times of AE. That will be, so DC will be equal to 4 times AE, and ED will come on its place. So we can write 1 over 2 into 7AE into ED. AE into ED. We wanted to bring this thing somewhere in this, and we are successful. So we can write 7 over 2 into AE into ED. Now we can put simply the values. So 7 over 2 multiplied by 50. So when we multiply that, that will be equal to 175 centimeter square. Because this will be 2 ones are 2 and 2 25s are. When we multiply 25 with 7, we will only be left with 175 centimeter square. Now there is a second question, the last question, that is question number 12. The figure is given to you. Please concentrate on the figure while I am reading the question, so you will see that which part is pointed in which dimension. So let us start understanding the question. In the figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. Concentrate. ABCD is a parallelogram, which is clearly shown. And AFE and BCE are straight line. A and FE. AFE. And the second line is BCE. One is this line and the second one is this line. These are straight lines that is given to us. If the area of the parallelogram, so let me write area of parallelogram. If the area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to 80 centimeters square, then what? Another information is BC is equal to CE. Another information is DF is equal to FC. Then they want to find the area. In first part they are saying that find the area of triangle ABE. So let us solve this question, and in the second part we will then concentrate on the second part. Okay, we have to find A, B, E, this triangle. So we have to make a plan because we don't have the height of A, B, E. There is base, but we are not having the height. So let us consider, let the height of the parallelogram, let the height of the parallelogram A, B, C, D with which reference? With the reference B, C, and let us that will be equal to H. Now area of parallelogram A, B, C, D is equal to BC into H, base into height. We took the reference as BC, and that is also given to us 80 centimeters square. So now we are finding area of triangle ABE, and that is 1 over 2 into BE into H. Yes, that is also. So we can write 1 over 2, and BE can be written as 2BC. Now BE, this whole is equal to 1BC and 2 because both are equal. So we are writing 2BC instead of BE, and that will be equal to H. This 2 will be cancelled with this 2. So we will only be left with BC into H. BC into H, and that is equal to 80 centimeter square from this. So we are putting the value of this inside that, so it will be equal to 80 centimeter square. Now the second part of this question is saying that find the area of triangle ADF. Area of triangle ADF, which is this one. This is a triangle. We have to find the value for that. Here we also don't have the height, so we have to consider the height, and let us say that let the height of the parallelogram ABCD with reference what? With the reference DC, B, H dash. Let us differentiate between the two H. So we are writing h dash here, and we are taking the base as this dc. So that will be, and we will consider a height like this. So you have to mention the base as well. Now, first of all, like in the first part, we have to find the area of parallelogram and DC into H dash, which is given to us as 80 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of triangle ADF, which is our actual goal, and that will be equal to 1 over 2 into base, that is DF in this case, into H dash. Now we can write that 1 over 2 into 1 over 2 of DC. It means that DF is the half of DC. This is DC full, so this is the half because this is equal to this. So we can write that DC is equal to half of the DC, half of the DF, and then we have to write this. So this will be equal to 1 over 4 into DC into H dash. We wanted to introduce this by a mean, and we introduced it. So simply I am writing 1 over 4 DC into H dash, and that is equal to 80 centimeters square. So it means that we will only be left with 20 centimeter square. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we came to the end of this topic as well as to the end of this exercise. Thank you very much for your time. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz.